Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. In case you have a Yamaha True X Speaker 1A, the WS-X1A wireless Bluetooth speaker, and you need to do a soft reset or a force restart on the unit, you're going to want to do this if it's not responding, or if it seems to be frozen, or if it's not pairing, or if it's like stuck in pairing or stuck paired on something and you can't get it unpaired from that thing. Anything like that, this force restart can fix a lot of those issues, and this is not a factory reset. It's not going to make it forget anything it was paired with in the past. It's basically just forcing it to power cycle to clear out any errors it has, and then hopefully, when you turn it back on, it will reconnect to whatever you want it to connect it to and be working normally. So all we need to do this is just, if we just do a long hold on the power button, so if we hold this for 10 seconds, this power button for 10 seconds, this will force restart the unit. And in some cases, it might, just force turn it off and it will fail to restart. If that happens, just release the button and then hold it again for another 3 seconds to turn on the unit, and that should fix your issue. If it doesn't fix your issue, you might want to try to actually do the full reinitialization factory reset, and I'll put a link in the description to how to do that.